Good morning, children. Second standard, take out your term 1. Second standard, take out your term 1, page number 21. Page number 2121. Page number 2121. See question number 2. Fill in the blanks with the past tense of the verbs given the brackets. Fill in the blanks with the past tense of the verbs given in the brackets. See children, first one. We dash on both sides of the road and it dash. Past tense means children, see, look, looking, looked. Present, past tense, future tense. 3 are there now, so they are telling us to write past tense. Past tense means looked. First answer, question number 2. First answer, first dash. We look. L-O-O-K-E-D. It is a past tense. It is a past tense. And then crossed. Crossed. S-S-E-D. You are supposed to use E-D for the past tense. Second one. The baby smiled. Smiled sweetly. The small babies will smile sweetly. Smile. It is a past tense. 9 dash grade second in Delhi. Studied. S-T-U-D-I-E-D. Studied. Next, fourth one. Mother dash chicks for us. Us. Fried. F-R-I-E-D. This is a past tense. They are given the present tense. For look, cross, smile, study, fry. We should use past tense. Understood, children? Take out your pencil and write it neatly on your term book. In your term book, you are supposed to write in this dashes neatly. Okay? Next. We'll leave this. Okay? We'll go for the next page. Page number 24, children. Leave these 2 pages. This pages leave. This page also leave. This page also leave, and we'll go for page number 24. Page number 24. See, a man was writing page number here. 24. Page number 24. Take out your page number 24, children. Take out your page number 24. Fill in the missing letters. Fill in the missing letters. See, first one, they are given like this, children. Is it now? R-Y-L. We should find the word for that. We should find the word for that. Okay, next. P-R-C-O-U-S. What word will be this? Next, fourth one. D dash, A dash, dash and D-S. Fifth one, C-O dash, dash, O-N. Sixth one, P-R dash, I dash, E-D. See children, like this they are given the words. We should find the words, okay? See, I think the first one will be the answer is first one answer, royal. Royal. First one answer is royal. Write it neatly, children. Next, second one. Maybe second one will be the listen. L-I-S-T-E-N. Listen. Third one. Precious. Third one will be the answer is precious. Now fourth one. Diamond. Diamonds. Next, fifth answer. C-O dash dash O-A Understood, children? Write it neatly now. S. Next, we'll go for the opposite words. Question number 2. Write the opposites of the following words. First one, old, live, fill, long, light, bright. You should write the opposites. Opposites means black, white, girl, boy, mama, daddy, like that, children. Okay? You should write the opposite verbs. Okay, I will write down only. Okay? Question number 2. Old. What is the opposite for this? Old means it is an old. Now, new. New means it is, see, old means, see, last year you were studying in first standard. Okay, last year's books you have, but it is in old books. Now you came for second standard, so it will be now new books, isn't it, children? Yes, for old the answer will be old, new, no, old, young. Old means grandfather, grandmother, like that. Young means small, like teenage. Okay? Yes. First is done. Now second one. Life, died. It's already died. Third one, fill. Fill means, see, my pouch is filled with the pencils. And empty. Empty means, see, the box is empty. Nothing. Okay. So we should write empty. Fourth one, long, dash. See now, my marker is long and the duster is small. Isn't it, children? Yes. So we can write short also. Short or small. Fifth one, light, heavy. Light means no weight. It is an empty light. And heavy. Heavy means more weight. Okay. Next, sixth one. Bright. Bright. Dull. Bright means it's looking so nice. Dull means it's looking so little light. Okay. Write these words, children. And tomorrow we'll go for the next main. Tomorrow we'll move on to the next main. Today we will stop from here. Okay? Write it neat handwriting and tomorrow we'll be continuing the question number 4. Okay, children? Yes.